First start, people. Y'all killed it. Woo! I didn't do much. Absolutely ridiculous. It does. Sounds so good. Listen guys, sorry about our social media presence. We've been slam packed. It's been ridiculous. This car is ridiculous. And to see it outside and it moved on its own power. It's so nice. Running. Sounds unbelievable. What you think, Ed? Yo, this thing's freaking cool. I'm so jealous. Yeah, same. Look at these brakes. Yeah, them big boys. We could do one of those things, rotary or RB. I just realized you don't have a seat. I don't need a seat. I may be short, but can you even see? It's a low center of gravity. Oh my god. All right, guys. I gotta tell you preemptively, you can't show them what's happening in the trunk. That's all secret. Don't show the trunk. I can't show that. You can show that. Oh, okay. I'm showing you that. Don't show that drunk in the trunk now. You know what I'm saying? you can't show them what's happening in the trunk. Okay, whatever. Wrap it in suede. Diamond stitched suede. That's that fancy. That's that fancy stuff. Diamond stitched. Right, that's dope. About what he needs to talk. The intercooler pipe in the factory comes across and it has a notch right here, and just a little driver motorsports touch. We filled it up so it's even side to side. We're knocking off this top vent. What's it called? A valve cover breather. Yeah. And now we're gonna loop these and then come off of here into our catch can. Okay. So instead of coming up like this and having this coming out, this is all going to be nice and smooth now, and then this cover is just going to vent into this cover, which is then going to come off the bottom side kind of like here and go into the catch can. And then this bad boy is going to get plated off, smoothed up. I got to cut this out to clear here, then we're putting vents in here so you can see. It's loosely on there. And then also this is going to be connected to this. Okay, we're going to weld this up so this is one piece so it connects. We're going to cut all this out, the
whole front's gonna be cut out, and from like here over, same thing on this side, and this is still gonna cover and give you the flow of the RB26 beauty, the beautifulness of the RB26. Very nice.
So it'll be similar to like the way a 2J is done, because you know how the coil pack cover like fits on the timing belt,
and it's all in one piece.
That was a good idea, whoever came up with that.
2J, GT, Toyota. Actually, Toyota came up with that.
Well, I mean, but for the RB, you know what I'm saying?
Did you see these? These pies?
All these pies? Oh. See pie cuts?
Oh.
Stop saying pies so many times.
He likes pie. He likes pie.
Okay.
So we got a Hypertune billet intercooler.
Yeah,
and that's
what's
beefy.
funny is somebody was commenting on an Instagram post. I don't think that's going to be enough intercooler. That's going to be plenty intercooler.
It definitely is. It's fat.
And then these nice Van Gen clamps or Wiggins clamps.
So much
The wobbly clamps.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, but so that
It'll tighten up once you get the
But your boots,
O-rings in
your
there.
boots do that normally. So instead of an actual V-band and everything's tight, it'll crack it if it's all super
It
tight.
has to allow for movement because the engine is going to move.
Right.
And we have the turbo mounted to the engine block.
How much time did someone put into cutting this out?
Aerodynamics.
Not much.
Weight
It's done with a
saving.
plasma cutter. They just.
Oh, well, that makes me feel better at least. But I'm like, man, if you did that with a grinder, it would take all day.
Fancy, man.
And they didn't clean up their edges either.
Oh, it'll get cleaned up.
Make our own base.
Yeah, we can just move the compressors into this behind this panel.
Okay.
That way we can, one, get rid of any of the ugliness, and then two, that whole thing can be shifted back because it can't go back any further currently.
Okay.
So that's that, and then the trunk setup is just all me and you.
Right.
Yeah.
One other thing is we need 2 nitrous bottles back here as well.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm not playing.
This thing is getting nitrous.
So I'm gonna order some carbon fiber nitrous bottles today.
So we'll just make one on either side.
Yeah.
Okay.
A little angle, you know.
Yeah.
This turned into Too Fast, Too Furious real quick. We got another Supra on the dyno. I promise you it's not going to be like the last one. This is actually a customer car. We're just getting him a horsepower number really quick. Oh man. You got PTSD, man?
This is the most stressful dyno video I've ever done. Not bad. Not bad at all. Air fuels look good. It gets a little rich down here, but better rich than light.
Right?
2. Told you one gonna make 550, Ed. Told you one.